How to do the pass and go in FC 25. To do the pass and go is very easy. All you need to do is hold down the left bumper, and whilst holding down the left bumper is press the pass button. What will happen then is the person who passes the ball will make a forward run. So let's show it here in action. Marcus Rashford is on the ball. We hold down the left bumper, press pass, and you can see here Marcus Rashford makes a forward run. You can then pass to Marcus Rashford with an ordinary pass, but the best way is to use a through ball. Now the key here is to time the pass with accuracy, because the person who is making the forward run, in this case Marcus Rashford, will just keep running even if that puts him offside. So if you time the pass perfectly, as you can see here, it's a good way to score a goal, as you can break the offside line.